Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing and personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and look at what we gained in our Fidelity portfolio as far as dividend paychecks. And so we're going to go ahead and get right into that right now. But if you would just take a short moment to go and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, that would go a long way for my channel. We currently have about, I would say, only 10% of the people subscribe to my channel, so it would really go a long way if you would help us out reaching our goal of 500 subscribers on this channel. And to give you an update, we are at 401 subscribers approximately, and we only need 99 more between the months of June, July, and August. So if you could help us out, that would go a really long way. With that said, we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. But I would like to give a personal shout out to my good friend Nikki Byron, who also has a YouTube investing and finance channel. You should definitely go check her out, as well as Gen X Dividend Investor, who also has a great channel with great analysis. I just wanted to go ahead and shout both of those people out. And with that said, let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so as you can see, we have received a dividend payment from Shaw Communications on May 3rd for 8 cents, and of course there was some foreign tax that needed to be taken out for that. We also received a dividend payment from Attn, which paid us $27.21 for the shares that we have in this portfolio. I believe we have about 56 shares in this portfolio. We also received a payment on May 3rd from Bristol Myers Squibb, and they went ahead and paid us 49 cents for the one share that we have. We also have a payment from Verizon Communications on May 3rd for $3.17. I believe we have 10 shares in this portfolio. We also received a dividend payment from Toronto Dominion Bank of Canada, which they went ahead and paid us 65 cents on May 4th. We also have a payment from Lowe's on Cinco de Mayo for 60 cents, so that's awesome. And then I went ahead and made some transactions myself where I bought more shares of Attn. It looks like 10 shares of Attn there. And then I bought some One Oak, some Shaw Communications, and just made some more transactions in the portfolio. But we did receive a dividend from Apple on May 13th for $4.41. We also received another payment from Colgate Palmolive on May 14th for 45 cents for the one share that we have. We received a dividend payment from Costco Wholesale Group, and they went ahead and paid us 79 cents for the one share that we have. One Oak, or OKE, went ahead and paid us $3.82 for our participation in holding their stock. We also received a payment from Realty Income for 24 cents for the one share that we have. We also received another dividend from SKT, or Tanger Factory Outlet, which paid us 18 cents for the one share that we hold. May 17th, Abbott Laboratories went out of their way to pay us 45 cents. On May 17th, Hasbro also went out of their way to pay us 68 cents. Kinder Morgan Incorporation went ahead and paid us 27 cents on May 17th as well as Stag Industrial, which paid us 12 cents. Texas Instruments wanted to go ahead and get in on the fun, and so they paid us $1.03 on May 17th. And then on May 19th, Main Street Capital went ahead and paid us 21 cents. On May 20th, Caterpillar went ahead and paid us $2.07 for the 2 shares that we hold. Welltower Incorporated also paid us 62 cents for the share that we hold. Royal Bank of Canada, Montreal went ahead and paid us, on May 25th, 90 cents. And then I believe that might be all that was paid for us. Oh, so the next payments will be from June, and so we'll save that for the next video. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got any ideas for companies you should go ahead and invest in, from this video. If you have any comments, make sure to go ahead and put them down in the comment section below. If you'd also take a moment to smash that like button for me and hit the subscribe, that would go a really long way for my channel. Thank you so much for the continued support, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.